This may be news to some of you guys. This may be old news to some of you guys, but let me tell you how AI will transform academy football and also football in itself. Now, as we all know, AI has come almost like hit the ground running really fast. And how is that impacting now academies? Now, academies in a very short term to a long term, so 2 years to 5 years, you will see a huge difference. And what's going to happen is, obviously, these clubs are owned by big companies, and big companies look at big margins. They look at big margins and they look at minimizing staff costs. Now, AI will transform and is already transforming football. And one of the biggest things that we're not realizing is the recruitment now in football is all done by AI. Obviously, there is staff within it that are going to choose players, but most of the actual data is recorded and is also delivered and rearranged by AI. So a lot of the players now all get, and when I say all, I say a big majority of it get recruited by numbers. It's not so much about the actual opinion. Opinion's still there, but it's a lot about numbers. The other thing that's really going to change here is the actual analysis. So AI now is incredible. And what things AI can do is never-ending development, okay? So a lot of these analysis you see in clubs, that it's all done by AI. There's some unbelievable systems of which are really going to change staff structure. Now, coaching sessions. Now, as we move on to more AI and detailed and data and numbers driven, the clubs are going to get attached to a particular philosophy, will drive a particular number of philosophy within the AI system. So AI system will track this particular pattern, and the pattern recognition was going to be this particular player and these particular habits and behaviors. So AI will do predominantly most of the work. I mean, there will be a level of staff, but majority of academies will run to a very slim and trimmer staff. I don't want to say skeleton staff because that sounds a bit negative, but if you actually see a lot of countries now have moved on to AI, and as AI turned up, less and less jobs happen, less and less jobs needed, because you don't need all that staff to deliver things that AI can do it in within 10 minutes. So one of the things that a lot of you guys out there might be shocked to understand is it's coming thick and fast, and a lot of clubs and a lot of countries have adopted these systems, and if you do little research, you'll find it very quickly.